Thanks, Derek. 13 years ago, the Wisconsin legislature passed a bill taking away collective bargaining rights for public employees. Now that's changed with a Dane County judge ruling the bill is unconstitutional. WEAU's Kim Leadholm breaks down what this means for the state.
It was a time when our state was in the national spotlight for, in my mind, a very negative reason.
In 2011, thousands filled the state capitol, fighting against a bill that would take away collective bargaining rights for public employees.
It was called a budget repair bill that was designed to reduce deficits in Wisconsin.
And Republicans say it did that.
Republican advocates for Act 10 claim that $16 billion in taxpayer money was saved over the course that Act 10 has been in effect.
Public workers, on the other hand, say that number doesn't reflect the true cost of the bill.
There's now been an entire generation of students who have gone through school in a divested system. What would it have been like for them if, as Wisconsin, if we had fully valued and invested in our public education?
Public workers like nurses, teachers, and other state employees were affected by the bill. Employees considered public safety workers were exempted, and that's where the Dane County judge comes in.
The lawsuit said that it's unconstitutional to treat one group of employees different from this other group of employees.
So what does this mean going forward? That depends.
Public employees, they would all stand to directly benefit if the judge's ruling is confirmed. Wisconsin taxpayers, on the other hand, might see increased costs if public employee unions begin successfully bargaining for higher wages and cost of living increases.
The Republican-led state legislature filed an appeal to the ruling, continuing this latest battle surrounding the legality of Act 10.
Thanks so much, Kim. In April, a justice will be elected to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, which will determine whether the high court leans left or right, with the legal battle of Act 10 continuing. Lawmakers and advocates are emphasizing the importance of that race.